Say it. It's my friend. So, we out here. Jurassic World construction update, and as you can see, there's a lot going on. There's Blue's new cage right over there. Blue's new cage even includes the little Jurassic Park raptor thing. And there's a worker going on its break right there. Still no testing of the boats, or at least they were last week. They weren't having been testing today so far. But they started to paint more of the structure right there, as you can see. Still having painted, still having on over there, but as you see the wrapped up right there, getting ready to paint. And speaking of that, you can see the rock mesh work there. They're working on the rocks, just like those rocks, but those rocks. I didn't know those rocks. And they're working on the planters and benches, and even have, as you can more here, even have some of the rebar laid down for the concrete coming down there. So almost here on the finish line, and here's the Jurassic World arch. They're reskinning that arch, and it should be done within the next couple of weeks as well. And again, as we go back to this water, you just don't see this. See, the waterfall is back on, but there's no, and the canal is flowing, but there's just there's not even a boat there today. So maybe somewhere over there. But nothing's testing, but everything's flowing and ready to go. As this ride is ready to hopefully open up in the next couple of months here. I'm hoping May will open up, because I really miss this ride, guys. I really do. And as you see, look at this continued rock work. I see the Jurassic, the stand that was over here, that was around there, is not, I don't think it's going to be in that same spot, as it's going to be a focal point. These planters and those planters can be a focal point to the Jurassic World arch there, as well as the palm trees are being planted there as well. Oh, here's the sun, guys. It's kind of cloudy out today. Now we zoom on out, see some Nintendo World construction, but we'll do another update on that a little bit later. I really want to see some testing today, but I just don't see much. But there's a lot of other stuff going on. I don't know what these white things over here are. I don't know what those are. There. I have no idea. But we'll be back with the Universal Studios construction updates a little bit later. Oh, there's Blue. He's leaving. Say bye, Blue. Bye, Blue. There he goes. Well, guys, thank you for joining me on my construction update as we say goodbye to Blue down there. There's Blue. And say goodbye to Blue over there. And to look for testing. I'll be right back. Please like and sub to my channel. It's my birthday, so definitely leave a comment or subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends as a birthday present to me. I'm 23 years old, and I'm having a great day. I'll be at Disney on Thursday for another update. Have a great day, guys.